asithi njengami nje njengoba ngazalwa ngiyintombazana, but ngaphakathi ama-inside wami kunama-male organs. Kunama-male organs. I didn't go to my period until 18. And my parents were worried because I was supposed to be on period at that age.
Sure.
The gynecologist told me, he checked me and said, I'm pregnant. And he is the one who discovered that I've got a womb. But my womb is not normal. It's small. And it's upside down. I wasn't. I knew that I'm not a woman. I'm a man, and I need amabele amakhulu. And even when I was awaphiwanga amabele amakhulu, but kwakubonakala ukuthi no, akuyena umuntu wesilisa ngoba ayekhona amabele, but angewona lo ungawafakeli ubra. Ayisamancane ngaleso sikhathi leso. Mina angizisho ukuthi i-intersex. U-intersex ngathi yinto into eyenzekile kumina. Mina ngizi-identify as umuntu wesilisa.
Okay.
Mina ngumuntu wesilisa.